You search for how to buy shares of Bittium Oyj. Bittium is a Finnish company in secure communications and medical connectivity, listed on CBOE EU under the ticker BITTI.HE. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BITTI.HE to find the listing. Make sure you select the result that matches Bittium Oyj on CBOE EU to locate the correct stock. Open the Bittium stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Verify company details and the exchange to confirm this is the correct BITTI.HE share. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, the order may queue or execute when trading reopens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.